Oh my, look at the motion. Look at the motion, Gary. No, no, no. Oh, wow. Gary, take our stream. Take our stream. Gary, hey Gary. Hey Gary. No. Gary, right. Okay. Hey Gary. Yes.
You need to move. Right there.
Gary, can you take our stream?
We're about to get hit by debris.
Okay, Gary, it just crossed I-35. It just hit that brand new hospital, that brand new Mercy Hospital that is south of 15th Street. That's what it went across. Look at the tree damage. Look at all the debris in the air. Okay. Yeah. Gary, it's going to go just south of Henderson Hills Baptist Church.
It's hit buildings. You got